How to fix mouse stuttering and lagging in Windows 11. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, simply press Ctrl plus R sorry, you can also go to search and then search for run and then simply search for main.cpl and it will lead you to this mouse properties and then go to pointer options and make sure in this pointer and this pointer option these are the settings you have right over here, and in the button make sure this turn on click lock is unchecked. So after that your problem should be fixed. If it does not fix, simply go to device manager and then search for mouse, and after that all you have to do is uninstall this mouse driver by right clicking on it and then simply uninstall and then reinstall it back. So that should fix your problem. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.